I just tested a brand new AI tool and copied an app from the App Store that's generating thousands of dollars a month. And I didn't write a single line of code. Most people think you need to be a programmer or spend months learning complex coding languages to build profitable apps. They believe app development is reserved for tech geniuses with computer science degrees. But what if I told you there's a revolutionary AI tool that can build entire apps for you while you sit back and watch? Here in the screenshot, you can see proof of exactly $500,000 in revenue that the original in the App Store is making every single month. And I'm talking about finding a proven app that's already making money, copying its exact features, and letting artificial intelligence recreate it from scratch. Then connecting it to Stripe for instant payment processing, all without touching a single line of code. In this video, I'll show you the exact AI tool I used, walk you through my complete step-by-step process for copying successful apps, and reveal how you can potentially build your own $10,000 app in just 24 hours. Plus, I'll share the 3 critical features you must include to make your app actually profitable. Let's dive in. So the tool that we're going to use is called Replit. And with my code Celine, you'll get a 10% discount and full access to the Replit agent. I added the link in the description below. And we're starting this build with a core idea for our app: a place to store and display recipes in a clean and easy to use way. And everything from browsing and searching to adding new dishes and marking favorites will be handled in one simple interface. And to get things moving, I'll give Replit this prompt: create a simple app that stores and displays recipes. Each recipe should have a title, photo, servings, prep or cook time, list of ingredients with quantities, step-by-step instructions, and tags. Include pages to view a recipe, browse a list of recipes, search by title or tags, mark favorites, and add new recipes through a simple form. Start with one profile that stores all recipes. Quick disclaimer though, making apps and earning money online takes real work. It's not as effortless as some YouTubers are making it sound. So when I walk you through building an app, I'm showing you the process and possibilities, not guaranteeing you'll get the same results. The AI tools I use are real and the methods can work, but your outcome will depend on your effort, timing, and, let's be honest, a little bit of luck. Many apps don't earn money right away and some never do. And I'm not saying you'll become rich or be able to quit your job from this. This isn't financial advice or some shortcut to instant wealth. I'm here to show you what's achievable, and what you do with that is entirely your call. Okay, now that we've got that out of the way, let's get back to building the app. Replit is creating a detailed plan for this project, and I'm going to approve the plan before continuing. The recipe app is named Recipe Vault, and the interface looks really refreshing. Replit sets up the initial project structure and basic UI components, then runs diagnostics to check everything. It fixes a few TypeScript errors so the application can run smoothly, and once the server is stable, the app is ready for initial testing. Recipe Vault is built with a complete data model for recipes, covering ingredients, instructions, tags, and a favorite system. It launches with 6 sample dishes stored in memory: pancakes, cookies, pasta, and more. So there's something to explore right away. The responsive recipe theme design makes it easy to browse, search, and filter recipes by tags directly from the homepage. Each recipe page includes an interactive checklist for ingredients and clear step-by-step instructions, making cooking simple. You can add new dishes through a dynamic form, save favorites for quick access, and enjoy smooth, mobile-friendly navigation on any device. Now we're making the recipe experience more practical by adding cooking tools that help you while you're actually in the kitchen. From adjusting ingredient amounts to converting units and keeping the screen from going dark mid-cook, these small touches will make following recipes much smoother. So I'm setting things in motion with this prompt for Replit. Add cooking helpers, scale ingredients when user changes servings, convert between metric and US units on the recipe page, and an option to keep the phone screen awake while viewing our recipe. Show scaled quantities live and allow users to toggle their preferred measurement system. Replit begins implementing the enhancements step by step, starting with the core functionality for ingredient scaling, unit conversion, and screen weight controls. And the finished recipe details page now includes all the cooking helpers in one place. Users can scale ingredients by changing servings with buttons or direct input, watch the quantities update instantly, toggle between US or empirical and metric units, and keep the screen awake while cooking. Smart Parsing supports fractions, mixed numbers, and multiple unit formats, and the controls are neatly displayed in a card above the ingredients list for easy access. Organizing recipes can be just as important as creating them. As the collection grows, having a structured way to group, tag, and rate dishes makes it easier to browse and discover something new. This update is about giving Recipe Vault the kind of organization you'd expect from a professional cooking app. Let's tell Replit to add recipe organization. Let users create cookbooks and move recipes into them. Let users assign tags, cuisine, meal type, like breakfast, lunch, or dinner, diet labels like vegan, keto, etc., and rate recipes 1 to 5 stars. And add filters and sorting, such as by rating newest cuisine on the recipes list. The app now includes a fully built recipe organization system, complete with 3 sample cookbooks, each color coordinated for quick recognition. Through an enhanced recipe form with drop-downs and checkboxes, users can assign cuisine types, meal types, diet labels, and star ratings. Advanced filtering makes it easy to search by cookbook, cuisine, meal type, diet label, or minimum rating, while Smart Sorting offers flexible options to arrange recipes by name, rating, or date in either direction. Overall, it delivers a professional-grade way to categorize and browse recipes. But a recipe app is only as good as the variety it offers. To make Recipe Vault truly useful, we're filling it with a wide selection that caters to different tastes, occasions, and dietary needs, so there's always something new to try. I'll give Replit this prompt. Fill the app with a wide variety of recipes from different cuisines, meal types, and dietary preferences. Include recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, and desserts, as well as options for vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, keto, and other diets. Make sure each recipe has complete details, such as ingredients, steps, serving size, cooking time, and a photo, so users can easily follow along. Recipe Vault is now stocked with a diverse database of more than 1,000 authentic recipes spanning a wide range of cuisines and meal types. You'll find breakfast favorites, international lunch options, elegant dinner entrees, and indulgent desserts, each with complete details such as ingredients, step-by-step instructions, serving sizes, prep and cook times, and high-quality photos. The collection caters to a variety of diets, including vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, keto, and high protein. So whether you're after a quick weekday meal or a sophisticated restaurant-quality dish, every recipe is prepared with authentic techniques and ingredients to deliver the best possible results. Most people don't want their favorite recipes and grocery lists mixed in with everyone else's. Having your own account means Recipe Vault can remember exactly what you saved, how you like to cook, and even your go-to serving sizes. Now let's tell Replit to add user accounts with email or password sign-up, login, and persistent sessions. Each user should have private storage for their recipes, cookbooks, meal plans, and grocery lists. Add simple profile settings such as name, dietary preferences, and default serving size. Recipe Vault now includes a complete authentication system with secure Replit sign-in and session storage. Visitors are now greeted with a landing page that prompts them to log in, and the navigation updates dynamically to display either sign-in or sign-out options. All recipes, cookbooks, and other saved data are kept private to each authenticated user, ensuring a secure and personalized experience. Every user now has a secure account, which means Recipe Vault can save personal recipes, cookbooks, and settings that stay linked to them alone. That same private space is the perfect place to manage weekly meals and grocery lists, features that really shine when tailored to someone's individual preferences. Now I'll give Replit the prompt that contains all the details for what we need next. Add a weekly meal plan view that assigns recipes to days and meals, such as breakfast or lunch or dinner. When a meal plan is created, auto-generate a smart grocery list by combining recipe ingredients and scaling quantities to the planned servings. Allow users to add custom items, paste multiple items, sort the list by supermarket aisle or by recipe, check items off while shopping, and export or share the list. Make the shopping list update if the user edits servings or replaces a recipe. Alright, the weekly meal planner now offers a drag-and-drop calendar with adjustable servings for each meal. Smart grocery lists generate automatically, merging and categorizing ingredients from every planned recipe. Lists can also be sorted by category, aisle, or recipe, and customized with added items or bulk text entries. Exporting, sharing, and checking off items while shopping are all supported, and any change to servings or recipes updates the list instantly. These tools definitely create a streamlined, adaptable system that makes meal planning and grocery shopping effortless. However, manually typing in a full recipe can be time-consuming, especially when you've already found it online or saved it somewhere else. A smarter import system means adding new recipes that can be done in seconds, whether it's from a link, a file, or even an image. Let's tell Replit to let users easily add recipes by pasting a link, pasting a recipe text and images, or uploading a file. Try to automatically fill in the recipe title, ingredients, and steps. If the app can't get everything right, show the recipe with the details it found so the users can quickly review and edit before saving. So up until now, adding a recipe meant doing most of the work yourself. That changes here. The app now offers a robust recipe import system with multiple ways to add new content, including URLs, pasted text, upload images, and file uploads. Manual entry is also supported, complete with validation, and AI steps in to suggest details for any missing fields. Now users can review and edit the extracted information before saving to ensure everything is accurate. And given that it's powered by OpenAI, the system can parse recipe titles, ingredients, instructions, cooking times, and more from virtually any source, making the import process quick, flexible, and user-friendly. So many great recipes live on social media or inside other apps, but getting them into your own collection can be a hassle. You might spot a perfect pasta dish while scrolling Instagram, stumble across a hidden gem on Pinterest, or watch a TikTok that makes you want to cook immediately. But by the time you think about adding it to your app, it's already buried in your feed. This update makes it possible to grab those ideas the moment you see them and have them ready to cook in Recipe Vault without copying everything by hand. So I'll give Replit this prompt. Allow users to save recipes directly from Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube, and Facebook by sharing the post to the app. When possible, automatically fill in the recipe title, ingredients, and steps from the shared content. If anything is missing or unclear, show the dedicated details so the user can quickly review and edit before saving. Also, allow importing recipes from other apps like Paprika, Notion, Evernote, and Google Docs. The recipe import system now works with Paprika, Evernote, and Notion, in addition to the existing options for importing from URLs, text, and images. Recipe Parser has been upgraded with new parsing methods to handle these formats, while the front end adds intelligent file type detection and clear format guidance to help users through the process. After making it simple to import recipes from almost anywhere, we are now focusing on what you can do with them once they're in your collection. Sometimes it's the little touches that make an app feel complete. Being able to share a favorite dish with friends, saving it as a polished PDF, or pull it up even without an internet connection makes a big difference in everyday use. So in order to make that happen, we will tell Replit to add small but helpful features, share recipe to other apps, export recipe as PDF, print-friendly view, offline caching of favorite recipes, and a basic in-app search index for faster lookups. The search system is now upgraded with intelligent fuzzy matching, making it possible to find recipes by name, ingredients, tags, or any piece of content. Add new drop-down interface offers instant suggestions and popular tags for faster navigation. Also, offline recipe caching boosts performance and keeps favorites accessible even without internet connection. All of the new utility features, sharing, PDF exports, and print view are also now fully functional, which makes Recipe Vault more versatile and convenient to use anywhere. Now, for users who want to go beyond just cooking and start tracking their nutrition, This update adds a feature designed to give detailed calorie and macronutrient breakdowns for every recipe. We will position it as a premium tool, visually appealing, clearly labeled, and gated so only upgraded users can access it. Let's tell Replit. Add a premium feature that shows the nutrition information for each recipe. Include calories, protein, carbs, and fats for the whole recipe and per serving. Let users change ingredient matches if needed. Show the daily nutrition total in meal plans so users can compare their goals. Allow premium users to download a summary of their nutrition information. This should be in a separate section. Clearly label this as a premium feature. This should only be unlocked when the user has been upgraded to premium. The Premium Nutrition Information feature is now ready for purchase. The panel features a vibrant purple to pink gradient topped with an animated crown that gives off a subtle glow. A clean feature grid with colored indicators makes the stats easy to scan, and the gradient styling across the section ties everything together. An inviting "Coming Soon" button signals that this is a premium-only perk designed to catch the eye and encourage users to upgrade when the payment system is live. Premium features are only as valuable as they are accessible, and by adding a seamless payment process makes upgrading simple for anyone who wants more from Recipe Vault. This upgrade will connect the app to Stripe, giving users a secure way to subscribe and instantly unlock advanced tools like the Premium Nutrition Information panel. I'll type in the prompt for Replit. Add Stripe checkout to the app so users can upgrade to Premium for $10 per month and $110 per year. When a user clicks the Upgrade to Premium, redirect the user to the payment form, show a confirmation message, and unlock the Premium feature. Premium Nutrition Information, ensure that the nutrition information will be unlocked. Save the user's Premium status to their account and show a small Premium badge next to their profile. Replit now updates the database schema to include new fields for the Stripe Customer ID and Subscription ID. Stripe API keys are then required to proceed. Vite_Stripe_public_key for the client side, starting with the PK_, and Stripe_secret_key for the server side, starting with the SK_. Once the keys are retrieved from the Stripe dashboard and added to the Replit agent, the subscription system will be implemented with both monthly and yearly pricing options. Payment infrastructure, subscription management, and premium feature unlocking are all set up. Now, let's test the flow. I'll select the Get Yearly $110 button from the Premium Feature Overview, which redirects to the secure payment form. After entering card details, I'm taken to a Premium Success page with the status updated in the database and a small Premium badge appearing next to my profile. Premium users now have full access to the enhanced nutrition panel, including detailed macronutrient and micronutrient breakdowns, plus the ability to generate and download professional PDF nutrition reports complete with recipe details, metadata, and Recipe Vault branding. Subscription status is handled automatically, keeping premium features locked or unlocked as needed for a smooth, secure experience. And there you have it. Starting from a proven, profitable concept, we've rebuilt the entire app from scratch using nothing but Replit and AI. Earlier, I told you about that original app making $500,000 a month in the App Store. Now you've seen it firsthand how it's actually possible to recreate those features, polish them up, connect payments with Stripe, and have a monetized app that's ready to launch, all without touching a single line of code. And with the right idea and the right AI tool, there's no reason you can't start building your own version of a $10,000 app in under 24 hours. You've seen exactly how powerful this is, so the next step is yours. Pick your idea, let AI build it, and turn it into something that can generate real revenue. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.